Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Manthan Solanki. I hope you are doing well. So today's video gonna get much more bigger than the last one because today we are going to fly a helicopter.
This is the Scarborough Town Center. This is the biggest mall in Scarborough. I just came here to have a cup of coffee because I woke up too early. Therefore, just let me grab it quickly.
To book the helicopter ride, you have to go to the website called wiretar.com. In that website, there's gonna be a phone number. So call on that, book the ride. But make sure you confirm the location because I had to call it off my first booking because they thought that I live in Toronto, USA. So they booked me for that and I lived in Toronto, Ontario. I didn't confirm that. I just said them that Toronto. So they booked me for that. So make sure the location. Also, you have to go with the 3 passengers. If you do not have 3 passengers, then they're gonna book someone else. So one of the strangers gonna sit beside you and you won't like it. So make sure that you have to have 3 passengers with you. Each ride will cost you $108 for 7 minutes. For the 7 minutes, they're gonna fly you all over the Toronto. By the way, to be frank, it's totally worth it. There's gonna be multiple options. 7 minutes ride, 40 minutes ride, 25 minutes ride, in airplane, in helicopter. You will get multiple options in that. So there are also romantic rides, private rides. So just choose whatever is appropriate to you. And one more thing, make sure the location you are choosing for the pickup, it should be near to your whereabouts. Otherwise, they're gonna allocate you any airport, Billy Bishop or Pearson Airport or any other airport.
A few moments later.
So we have arrived here at this beautiful location at Harbourfront. That is the airport. So let me take you to there.
The Billy Bishop Airport, you have to take this ferry. It comes and goes in every 15 minutes. But I wanna tell you one little secret. Keep it confidential, alright? There is no fee in this. You can roam around in the airport for free and come back and go home. There is no charge for this one. It is provided by the Billy Bishop Airport. So take a detour in this ferry once.
This airport is always tranquil. Guys, if you ever want to be alone, you must come in here because it's always empty. I've come here so many times and it's always desolated. This is the entrance of the airport. Let's go inside. So guys, this is our terminal. We have arrived here at the airport. It's too small because it is built on the small islet. See, that's our terminal. So this is the ferry we took. Guys, you have no idea, it's too windy in here. So this is the parking spot of the airport. See, most of the Canadian population lives in Toronto, but still the airport is empty. Guys, you should come to Adani Airport, Ahmedabad. Always bustling with the people. Hey, there is a private jet, let me show you. They wanted us to watch this 2 to 3 minutes video about boarding into the helicopter.
So guys, that is the helicopter. That's where we are gonna take our detour. But unfortunately, they are not letting us click any pictures with the helicopter because it's an active airport. Therefore, we aren't gonna take any pictures. But inside the helicopter, we can take as many pictures as many videos we can. Alright, so let me show you.
I am super excited, man. Wow. Totally thrilled. We are gonna take off now. that's the Toronto Island. Hey, comment below if you want me to make a video on it. And this is the Ontario Lake. Guys, now she is taking us to have a look at the closest view of CN Tower. We are about to see the top of the CN Tower. This is the world's third tallest tower and we are on top of it.
I hope you enjoyed a lot. So next video I'm gonna take you somewhere else. Stay tuned. Thank you.